guys. Okay, so I know I was supposed to finish up the outside of my den, but I didn't. I'll do that in another video. Okay? So today I'm gonna see if people would scam me. Like, I would trade them a stupid item. I mean, not a stupid item, but like a really rare item for just like I'm gonna ask them, is my Arctic hood or my rare big bow is worth an item shop or rare, or like a spike. So let's get on to this video. I don't know what that was. So I asked them, is my Arctic hood or big bow worth a plushie? And let's see what they say. So this girl just said yes. Is this an actual trade? Wow, thanks. Oh, cool. What? Oh my gosh, it's really under. Yeah, so shout out to Rot and her right here. I just can't click her username. Cat is swag. Cat is swag. Always look up. Okay. So, yeah. I'm gonna friend them. Oh. Mad. Okay, so yeah. I just saw a girl She said, Some girls said, "My den if you have socks, pink socks." I don't think it's her, but I think it's her. I'm gonna do this. So guys, there's like this rare Arctic hood that someone traded me, as you saw in the video. So the song is rare. Okay, but so yeah. And I'll be seeing if someone wants it. Like, I would trade a skunk tail for it. I feel like it's not rare because it don't look rare. So let's see if this girl would have kept. Yeah. I'll try to find someone with an Arctic. Not an Arctic hood, but a skunk tail. So when I find someone with it, I'm just gonna. You know what? I just actually want this. I want this. Let's see if you kept. Please accept. Wow. Please, please, please. Let's see if he keeps the second time. So this girl's gonna keep my shade, even though it's not the fake one. I just wanted a blue one. Yeah. Okay, me being a nice jammer, I'm trading my wristband for a Cupid wings. Hopefully that she accepts. Thank you. Oh my gosh, I can't believe what happened. So yeah. So this boy is gonna keep my shade. I'm really happy that he kept my shade. I think this is gonna become a trade attempt right now. Okay, so bye guys. Sorry this was a really short video, but I'm gonna have to go to sleep. It's like right here. It's 1. Wait, I'll zoom in. So it's 1:02 a.m.